How to log out YouTube Google account. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new guide video of app tutorial. If you're trying to log out or remove a Google account or a YouTube account from your phone, then in this video I'm going to show you the exact steps that you need to follow. Because YouTube is connected to your Google account, you need to remove your entire Google account from your device in order to remove your YouTube account as well. So you can do this process through the Gmail app. Open up your Gmail app first and then just tap on the profile icon on the top right. From this profile section, you can just tap on manage account on this device, and it's going to open up the settings of your phone, and it's going to specifically open up accounts and sync. From this section, you will have an option of Google. Tap on the Google option and it's going to show you all of the accounts that are logged in. Just pick the Google account that you're trying to remove and tap on more on the bottom, or you should already have an option of remove somewhere. For my case, it's inside more, and here it is. You can just tap on remove account and this Google account will be successfully removed from your device, which means your YouTube account will also be removed from your phone. So that was the quick and easy process of logging out of your YouTube Google account. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching.